Hi, my name's John from First Things First, and today I'm going to take you through 5 incentives available to first home buyers looking to purchase property in Victoria. Now, a quick disclaimer before we get started, these incentives are only applicable to first home buyers in Victoria. Although there is some crossover, if you reside in other states, please do get in touch with us so we can discuss what's available to you. Also, it's great if you're watching this in 2019, but please, if you're watching this in 2050, I would definitely speak to us because the incentives have probably changed dramatically. Right, so let's get going with incentive number 1, the first homeowner grant. If you purchase a brand new property, either off the plan, meaning it hasn't been built yet, or complete, and you're the first purchaser of that property and the first person to live in it, then you're entitled to the $10,000 rebate from the government. Are you looking to buy in a regional area of Victoria? Then that $10,000 rebate now becomes $20,000. And I'll link to what qualifies as a regional area in the description below. Applying for the rebate is easy and can be organised through your lender and is available once the property is settled. Incentive number 2, stamp duty exemptions and concessions. If you purchase a property for $600,000 or less, the good news is you will pay 0 stamp duty, which is potentially saving you over $30,000 in additional upfront costs. This property can also be new or existing. If you're purchasing a property between $600,001 and $750,000, you pay stamp duty on a concessional sliding scale, and I'll share a link in the description below around what that scale looks like. Incentive number 3, the First Home Super Saver Scheme. This allows you to voluntarily contribute up to $30,000 to your super and withdraw this amount plus earnings less tax to buy your first home. This incentive might appeal to those of you who are trying to put money away to save that initial deposit, who are attracted by the concessional tax treatment of money that you're saving within your super. Incentive number 4. Now, this is the forgotten incentive that no one ever really talks about, and that's the HomesVic Shared Equity Initiative. Only 400 first home buyers a year can enter this scheme, which is targeted at lower income earners. Now, this scheme involves the lender sharing some of the upfront costs of purchasing a home by taking up to 25% of a proportional interest in the property. The plus side, you can contribute a minimum of 5% deposit, and the lender can provide the remainder of the purchase cost via a home loan. HomesVic will maintain its proportional interest in the property, and you'll receive it back when either the property is sold or if you decide to buy it back off them. Incentive number 5 is a bonus incentive that is actually due to launch in January 2020, and that's the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme. Now, this is extremely timely, with first home buyers currently extremely active in the Victorian property market. The scheme will allow buyers to put as little as a 5 or a 10% deposit down for a home without paying lender's mortgage insurance, which can be between $12,000 and $15,000. I predict we're going to see a massive surge of first home buyers in January purchasing property unless this allocation is staggered, but we're going to have to see how it goes. So there you have it. Those are the 5 first home buyer incentives available in Victoria during 2019. I hope you found this video useful. As I mentioned earlier, there are some eligibility criteria tied to some of these incentives, so I would encourage you to get in touch with First Things First to find out which ones you can take advantage of and which ones best suit your personal circumstances. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.